Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this YouTube channel Learn from Home with Satish Sarkar. Dear students, our today's topic is 9th standard English subject lesson number 2.1. Name of the poem is Comparison. The poem is a string of opposites. Comparisons are made with opposite pairs having at least one common feature, and the poem brings forth the vast diversity in the world around us. The poem is very simple to understand, so let's start this poem. See, first line: fast as a spaceship, slow as a snail. It means here spaceship is compared with the snail. Now you can guess easily, when you compare these two things, they have one common feature. Can you guess which common feature is here? Speed. Speed of spaceship and speed of snail. So these two words, fast and slow, used for make comparison, and that shows speed. Okay, here is one in-text question also. What adjectives, words are used to here to show shape, size and temperature? One more question is here. Think of common features when you try to find opposites. Now we have seen one, speed is common feature in spaceship and snail. Okay, so you just observe this carefully while we are just explaining this poem. Note down some important points to write these answers of these questions. Our next lines: big as a dinosaur and small as a nail. It means here dinosaur and nail compared with each other, and guess which common feature is here? Size. See, size of dinosaur and size of nail, and words are used here, big and small. Next, see, fierce as a tiger and gentle as a lamb. Which is common feature? Common feature is character or temperament, and this shows these two words, fierce and gentle. Next, sour as a lemon, sweet as a jam. It means here lemon is compared with a jam, but for making this comparison, here is word used sour and sweet, and these words shows one common feature, that is taste. Yes, so here sour and sweet words are used for taste. Next, see, dry as the desert and wet as the sea. Now you can guess which is common feature here. Here common feature is presence of water. In the desert, water is not present, but in the sea, everywhere is water. So which words used for here comparison? Dry and wet. Okay, next lines. See, square as a house and round as a pea. It means here house is compared with pea. Now here you can guess easily which is a common feature. Here common feature is shape. See here, the house is square and the peas are round. So square and round, these two words are opposite and they are used here to make comparison. Next, cool as a cave and warm as a toast. Okay, now you can guess easily. Concentrate on word cool and warm. This word shows temperature. And here is one common feature, temperature shows with the using words of cool and warm. Okay, go towards next lines. Here, see, noisy as a road drill and quiet as a ghost. Now, see here two words, noisy and quiet. These are opposite words used here for comparison. And here, road drill is compared with ghost. So, you can easily guess which common feature is here. It is sound. And for sound, here two words are used, noisy and quiet. Next lines. Strong as an ox and weak as kitten. See, here are two animals on your screen, ox and kitten. And these two words, strong and weak, shows one common feature, and that is physical power. If we compare ox with kitten, ox is always strong. So strong and weak words are used here for physical power. Next, hard as a rock and soft as a mitten. Now we know very well that rock is always hard and mitten are soft. So word hard and soft used here for comparison, and word hard and soft used for firmness, and hard and soft used here one common feature, that is firmness. Next lines. See, dark as a tunnel. Okay, you have seen tunnel. And light as the moon. So here just find out two opposite words. Yes, here it is dark and light, and it shows brightness. So dark and light is one common feature here in these two lines. Next lines. Nighttime midnight and daytime noon. Okay, here is two words, night and day. So what is in the common in these two lines? Peak or zenith. Paramochya Shima, Sarvochya Shikhar. It means nighttime midnight, Madhyaratra, and daytime noon, Madhyana. ही जी परिसीमा असते ती इथं मेन्शन केलेली आहे. And common feature here, words are used night and day. Next, see, tall as a giant and short as an elf. Now here one giant is compared with an elf. So we know very well that these are very simple words. Tall and short are opposite words, and it shows height. So here height is one common feature. Next lines. Crooked as a mountain path and straight as a shelf. Now crook means veda wakda, and straight saral. So crooked as a mountain path, straight as a shelf. Here one common feature is form or counter. त्याचा जो फॉर्म आहे, त्याचा आकार आहे, फॉर्म, आकार. Are given form with using two words, crooked and straight. So the poet says that the world is full of opposites, and so think of yourself. Yes, students, so the poem brings vast diversity around us in the world, and This poem is written by an anonymous poet. The name of poet is unknown for all of us. In the conclusion, the poet says that the world around us is full of opposites and encourages to the reader to think about himself or herself. या जगामध्ये खूप अशी विविधता आहे आणि त्या विविधतेचा आपण आनंद घेतला पाहिजे अशा आशयाची एका अनोळखी कवीने लिहिलेली ही कविता आहे. So that's it in this video. I hope you have understood the whole poem, and if you have understood, don't forget to share and comment this video and subscribe this YouTube channel to get latest video notification. That's all for today. Thank you very much.